So today, this morning, it's gonna go meet our friend Scott out near Carrillo. We're gonna go shoot some photos. Got an ND filter that I haven't used yet, so I want to do some long exposures of a waterfall out there. We haven't been to the waterfall for a while either, so I want to see what it's like now that it's got a little bit of rain coming down. So yeah, we're gonna go out, do that, bring you guys along, show you some of the photos we take. So that'll be fun. Little video to share our craft of taking photos. You might remember Scott from their channel, K Now What. Scott and Kathy have that channel. So yeah, we're kind of hanging out with them all day, and Scott and I are like, let's go shoot some photos. We haven't done it yet, so we had been planning to. Scott's freshly retired, so he's got the creative mindset now. He doesn't have to worry about work. So yeah, just gonna jump onto the ATV. Car is back in Samurai. Engine is rebuilt. Now it needs a catalytic converter, the main one, which is coming from the States. We used AeroPost to send that down. We are gonna do a video on ordering stuff to Costa Rica using AeroPost and box Carrillos. So just don't know when we're gonna film that, but stay tuned for that video. It'll be on our channel. And it needed tires. Once the cat goes on, then we can get the car to a shop with a tire machine and get the tires mounted as well. So it will be nice to have our car back. We do have trips planned, and we just can't fit the whole family on the quad. So yeah, let's head out to Carrillo now, and yeah, I'm excited to show you this little waterfall. It's been a while since we've been there. If you go back to some of our first videos, you'll see it there. Alright, so I found Scott. You guys remember Scott from our Navi road trip? I think we got to do another road trip with some better bikes, so like turbo Navis maybe or something. Yeah, I think we'll just turbo somewhere. Put some NOS on them or something. So we're at the location where you walk down to the waterfall. So this is in Carrillo. It's not much of a walk. There's actually just a little bit of a creek, and then it's the waterfall onto the beach. So yeah, we'll see if we can get some cool shots here. Not sure how the composition will go because we haven't been out here for a while. So, oh, there's little land crabs around. Hello. What a crabby, shellfish little guy. He won't let me film him. That dad joke segues into this video's sponsor, which is actually Scott's new brand that he's come up with his daughter Gracie, who's the artist. It's called GenuineDadJokes.com, and they are making t-shirts for dad. Is your dad genuine? Does he tell dad jokes? If he doesn't, at least he can wear a shirt that tells dad jokes. But yeah, they just started this. So you guys can go to GenuineDadJokes.com, go to shop. They've got 6 shirts already designed with different dad jokes on them. Some pretty good ones actually. I was on there checking it out, as you can see on the screen right now. Again, this is just starting out, so they've only got 6 designs so far, but there is more on the way, that's for sure. And yeah, always stay tuned to see what new dad joke shirts there are. Yeah, get dad one for Father's Day, or if it's late for Father's Day, then you can make a dad joke about it being late and have him wearing a nice comfortable t-shirt from GenuineDadJokes.com. Just want to say thanks to GenuineDadJokes.com for supporting the channel, and back to shooting photos. Scott just got his gimbal, so he's getting some shots, practicing. Make it good.
If I'm gonna fall, get ready to catch.
Yeah, I will. Just throw it. This one you gotta bend down to. Or hang on to the rock, yeah. There's a railing.
No kidding. No blooper reel for this video. Well, that's where you're filming, eh?
Yeah. So the waterfall's not flowing as much as we hoped it would be. We've had a lot of rain lately, but not the last couple days, so I guess that's why. But we'll try and get some shots of that. Nice thing about this spot is we have a backup where we can shoot some waves crashing on the rocks, like way out there. If we walk out that way, at least we can get that. So yeah, we'll just hang out here, shoot some photos. We're gonna show you in this video some of the photos that we get and once they're edited. And yeah, just get some B-roll as well. A lot of plumeria around, which is cool. You see all the plumeria flowers littered on the ground. Very, very tropical. But yeah, let's get to shooting some photos. All right, so we just got a couple shots from a distance. Again, it's not very dramatic today, so it's not really getting a full effect of a waterfall coming down, but these waves crashing over here are gonna be cool. Yeah, so check out this photo. It's okay. So now I'm gonna I got it on a smaller tripod now, and I'm gonna try shooting from down low. There's a little piece of wood there up at the waterfall, maybe get something there. There's the plumeria up there, so we'll see how that photo turns out now. All right, so I'm gonna show you this shot now. It's really hard. It's dark over there, and using the ND filter, it's just a variable one, so it doesn't have that many different stops, so kind of hard to do. So we're gonna switch over to shooting some waves over here. A lot more light over here, so should be able to utilize the filter a little bit more and get a little more movement in the long exposure. So yeah, I'll see how that turns out. Again, this is new to me. I have never done this before, so it's I've always done long exposures at night, but to do them in the daytime with an ND filter, it's a learning curve, but it's fun out here at the beach. And yeah, just practicing photography. We'll see how Scott's doing. What do you think?
It's a raging waterfall.
Yeah. don't jump in it.
No, it's actually a nice location.
Yeah, it'd be nice when it's more flowing and we can come and
shoot. Get some nice, kind of foggy water going down there. That'd be pretty cool.
Movement.
Yeah.
First time it came, it was actually like you could stand under it. It was like pounding on your back.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh,
So it'd be nice when it's like that. 'Cause
Yeah.
you can see where it comes, like the line here and over here. So
Yeah,
it actually gets pretty big. So
yeah. Finish this one shot.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna look at these rocks.
yeah,
Have
that's
some
pretty
waves.
cool right here.
Yeah.
All right, so just tried this spot here. We'll see. I mean, you'll see right now what the photos are like after editing. I can't see right now because I haven't edited them yet, but maybe they turned out. It's really hard. This ND filter doesn't have very many stops, so it is still quite bright, so I can't do like a long, like 20-second exposure or 30-second. So we're just kind of doing what we can with what we have, around the 5-second mark max. Yeah, it was easier here where it's a bit darker. But yeah, I'm gonna move over here. It sucks actually when I was right here. I just picked up the camera and a wave came in and just smashed across the rocks. That would have been cool, but oh well. We'll try over here. They seem to be hitting hard right out here. Don't want to get in Scott's way. All right, so yeah. Show you guys the shots here now, just from this little location here. I think they turned out a little brighter, but I can tone them down in post as you're seeing right now. So it's not quite as bright, just darken it, bring more shadows and into it. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna shoot some normal photos now, just because the waves are actually like crashing pretty hard. So it'd be cool getting like mid-air, just still. And then I'm actually gonna get the drone up right now, fly it around before Scott finishes shooting his photos and wants to fly his drone. Gonna get some photos up there too. Show you guys what it looks like from the air here. so that was a little sketchy. The drone, the battery got so low because I was trying to take shots of Scott's drone in the air. I wanted to do like a follow behind, but my battery was too low, and it wanted to return to home, but the last place I had brought it up was up on the rocks in the trees because the gimbal had started messing up. So it wanted to return through the trees into the rock, and I couldn't hit the X on my phone because of where the holder is on the remote, the RC. So I couldn't hit it, so it was just sitting there hovering. If I let go, I wanted to take off. It almost took off into the plumeria tree up here. So yeah, it was a little sketchy. Finally, I just undid the holder and pressed X, and then it let me land it myself. Yeah, it buzzed over my head too. It was a little sketchy. So. Yeah, that's it for this video. Just a cool little quick morning short vlog of us out here on the beach shooting photos, perfecting our hobby. And yeah, it's fun to get out and shoot with someone who loves to shoot as well, like Scott does. And yeah, we'll definitely do more of this. Want to come when that's a little more raging and shoot some more photos there. So I'll have those on our Instagram account, so just follow us. If they will come up here for you. And yeah, just go follow us on Instagram. You'll see a lot of our photos and stuff from our travels. And that's pretty much it. Gonna hike up back through the little trail up here, gonna head home. So if you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao. Gonna make Shayna a nice necklace. I think she'll love it. What do you think? It's very tribal. It's crazy how fragile these little bones are. It's kind of cool. Little ring. All sorts of jewelry at the beach. Fancy call it now. No rear end shot.